How to buy Amazon Prime. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can buy Amazon Prime. For this, you first of all want to head over to Play Store or App Store and download Amazon Prime Video on your device. Once you have downloaded the app, open it. Here, you will be prompted to sign into your account. Go ahead and enter your email address or mobile number. Then enter your password and simply sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now, scroll down and tap on My Account. Here you have three options: Manage Account, Delete Account, and Sign Out. Tap on the Manage Account option. Now you will find all the details about your account here, including your membership details. As you can see here, it says that you don't have a subscription to Prime Video. If you want to subscribe or buy Prime Video, then for that you want to set up a payment method. Go ahead and tap on the Set Payment Method option. Now over here you have to add a credit or debit card. Go ahead and enter name on card. Then enter the card number. Now you want to set up the expiration date on your credit or debit card. Once that is done, you can tap on Use as my default payment if you want that. Now tap on the Add your card option. Once the payment method has been set, it is going to apply to the membership and subscription charges. Now you can simply select the plan that you want, and this is how you can buy Amazon Prime. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.